Montville Township's public schools are valuable community assets. We regularly evaluate those buildings to be sure our schools support educational programming, provide a safe environment, and operate efficiently. Work is currently needed to update HVAC systems that provide heating, air conditioning, and ventilation. The bond proposal targets the schools where those systems are old to the point of repair risk and energy inefficiency. We also have a goal of making two-stage entrances the security standard across all our schools. Given these needs, the Board of Education determined that a bond referendum is the best tool for our district. That kind of upfront funding would help manage large-scale improvements. And that's not the only reason. A bond proposal could unlock millions of dollars in state aid. Montville residents already contribute to that, and this is the only way to bring it back to the community. This referendum demonstrates our commitment to financial responsibility. We look for funding sources outside the local tax base, and we look to the future and plan projects over time. Without an improved referendum, we will still need these projects, but we won't have the state aid to help cover the costs.